हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब ठीक होंगे। तो आज हम टेक्नोलॉजी की बात करेंगे। माइक्रोवेव टेक्नोलॉजी आ नोवल अप्रोच टू द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ नेचर metabolites. Abstract microwave technology is used throughout the world to generate heat using energy from the microwave range of the electromagnetic spectrum. It is characterized by uniform energy transfer, low energy consumption, and rapid heating, which preserves much of the neutral value in food products. Microwave technology is widely used to process food such as dyeing, because food and medicinal plants are the same organism. Microwave technology is also used to process the extract parts of plants for medicinal purpose. However, the special principle of microwave radiation provide energy to reaction for transforming chemical components, creating a variety of compounds through oxidation, hydrolysis, rearrangement, acidification, condensation, and other reactions that transform original components into new ones. In this paper, the principal influencing factors of microwave technology and the transformation of natural metabolites using microwave technology are reviewed with aim to provide a theoretical basis for the further study of microwave technology in the processing of medicinal materials. Introduction. Microwave technology is a modern technology that produces heat energy by the rapid movement or rotation of polar molecules by rubbing against each other. Microwave irradiation will induce thermal effects, electric field effect, and other non-thermal effects in substances. The thermal effect may convert energy into thermal energy to generate heat. Non-thermal effects cause rotation and polarization of dipole molecules, which increases the frequency of collisions between molecules, producing heat through friction, and the heat transfer proceeds from the inside of the substance to the outside. 1 to 3 substance to the outside. Microwave technology offers many advantages in the preparation of food: appearance, flavor, and nutritional composition. Product heated by microwave radiation at a level of quality that level of far exceed conventional methods. While surface comparison, while surface methods, while surface handling of some products and other pitfalls can be avoided. 4, 5. In addition, the preservation of flavor can reduce the need for salt to maintain healthy levels in the human body. 6. While microwave technology has some drawbacks, conventional methods of cooking food change the texture, flavor, and appearance of most food and cause it to lose some or many nutrients in the process. Therefore, microwave technologies is widely used for the food preparation such as drying, baking, sterilization, and time now 9, and has in the turn received wide attention throughout the food industry. Many edible plants also have medicinal properties. Therefore, microwave technology has also piqued interest in pharmaceutical field. Studies have demonstrated how microwave technology can be used to dry plant extraction, bioactive components, and sterilize herbs and medical plants. And microwave heating can completely control the extraction time, power, and thermal parameters. In the process research scientists discovered the rapid heating and special principles of microwave radiation can reduce nutrient loss, maintain appearance. तो आज हम बात की है माइक्रोवेव की टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में। तो उम्मीद करता हूँ कि सब बेहतरीन रहा होगा और आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी, और आने वाले वक्त में आप तक मोर इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस पहुँचती रहेंगी ताकि आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में जान सकें। और इंशाअल्लाह उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। मैं आपका अपना अमर, तो उम्मीद करता हूँ सबको ये बेहतरीन लगा होगा और सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो इस तरह की न्यू वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि तमाम आने वाली वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंचती रहें। अल्लाह अमीन नासिर। अल्लाह।